Here they are. 8 Lovie puppies. Oh boy. They love that wagon ride. Of course, we do have to be rather quick, or some of these little puppies will jump out. So he's gonna stop and unload them right here. Okay, here are the puppies. The brown one by Roy's feet with the brown collar is Tiger. The yellow one is Lucky. White one is Walt. Red, just went behind him, Rory. Blue here is Wrangler. Black, Bernie. Red, Rory. Let's see, pink. Pink is Cindy. She should be orange, but she has a pink scarf on. And, oh, sorry to make you dizzy. Here's Peppy. Peppy! Peppy has purple.
Come on. Come on. That's it. Come on.
They're out for a Sunday afternoon playtime. Sorry for the barking. That's Bella. Bella is usually in a guardian home, but her family went camping. Bella's in heat. A dog camping in heat is not a good thing because it attracts all the other dogs in the campground. So Bella doesn't understand. She will get a turn to be out. But while we're out with puppies, she's in.
Come on, pups. Come on, pups.
You can see they've changed since the last video. They're much more energetic and playful, curious. They're all pretty confident little puppies. I see Rory over there scratching. When you first put a scarf or a collar on a puppy, it's rather annoying to them. Here, Bernie found a piece of dead something, weed.
Here's that little guy I had to save. Hey, Lucky.
I love like how Peppy has his legs all stretched out. They just lay their belly right in the grass and stretch their legs out. That grass feels so good. The pen you're kind of seeing over here, that's the pen we put the puppies in the yard. So they're safe but can see things, and then we let the other dogs run around. So that's our puppy play pen when we have all the big dogs out. We don't want them getting trampled or having one mom dog bite another mom dog because she thinks they're going to look at her puppy cross-eyed. There's probably nothing more protective than a mother dog, than maybe a mother bear, I guess. There's Lucky.
Hey, puppies.
Here we have Wrangler, Walt, and Bernie. Joining them is Tiger. On Roy's leg back there in pink is Cindy and Lucky. Peppy's joining the crowd.
Hey, Lucky. Yeah. Hey, Peppy. Come on, Peppy. Hey, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, Lucky. Come on, Lucky. Oh, yeah, Lucky. Yeah. Hey, Rory. Come on, girl. Come on. Rory, there you are.
Well, Peppy found a leaf. But Rory found Peppy. When you get your puppy, Roy's going to demonstrate this. It's really important to handle your puppy a lot. He's going to handle the puppy's mouth, stick his finger in Cindy's mouth a lot, her paws, her tail. The reason you do this is your puppy's going to need to be groomed, and dogs are quite often very sensitive to having their feet handled or their face. So handling their feet a lot, handling their ears, makes them more comfortable. Yeah, putting them on their back, so they'll have an easier time at the groomer. So just handling your puppy's feet, their ears, their mouth, their tail, just accustoms them to that. One step further would be to get like your electric toothbrush. Don't brush their teeth with it, but just have that vibrating motor rolling over their body so they're used to the feel of a vibrating motor, like in a pair of grooming clippers. I think that's why they like him, is he talks their language, saying ruff, 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 ruff. They're so fun to watch. You could get nothing done all day if you had this litter of puppies to watch. So if I ever don't answer your email back fast enough, just know I'm probably watching your puppy, because they're so much fun as they discover this big world. There's Walt.
Hey pups! Hey pups!
I think Cindy is trying to get Roy used to going to the groomer. She seems to be going for his mouth and his ears too. There they are. Bucket of doodles. Bye-bye, pups. Say see you next week.